I got a good question from 14.3 about when we have multiple regression. StatCrunch doesn't give you an easy way to plot the residuals versus the x variables. So I just wanted to show you how to do that real quick. It's not as easy as simple regression where StatCrunch gives you that option just to generate the graph as you're doing the regression, but you can still do it. So let me go to, I just made up some dummy data. This probably won't have any kind of linear correlation, but it'll show you how to do it. So I got a regression, multiple linear, select Y. Okay. Then the X variables are X1 and X2. And here's the problem down here. You don't have the residuals versus the X, either of the X variables here. So what we want to do is we want to run the regression, but save the residuals. Okay. So, that does the typical normal regression, but important for what we want to do here is that we get residuals here. And from that, if I want to say, let's say plot the residuals versus the X values, I just go to scatter plot. And I said X1, right? You could either do X1 or X2 here. And then the residuals. And just hit compute. And it'll give me the residuals on the y-axis versus the x1 variable. So I hope that helps with that little that wrinkle and not being able to do that directly in StatCrunch. You have to. It's a process. You'll find there's a couple other things like that coming down the road in chapter 14.